Well, good afternoon there, guys. I'm just doing a quick vlog type intro because today's video, as you can tell from the title, I've never done a power hour, I don't think so at least, on my channel. And so I thought today I would do a power hour, but it's minimize and clean up my master bedroom and master bathroom. So I just kind of noticed that some of our drawers in our bathroom have gotten a few too many things we don't need anymore. The only one that's gonna be super disappointed in this is this guy right here when I try to make the bed. Oh, some of you guys did ask to see our Great Dane puppy. This is Gray. He is our newest little family member. You're a good boy. If you want to see more of him, you can check out our vlog channel. But let's get the cleaning and making up this bed.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so my side table's pretty much how it always is. I have my prenatals, my Young Living catalog book, Levi's paw prints, my now past service dog back there. And then down here I have one of my extra chargers for my phone, some extra things for my Fitbit, our laptop case, and one game for the kids that we can play in here. We got some pants, 'tis the life of a bedroom. You get your pants on the ground everywhere. This is temporary. We need a large dog bed. So there's like 2 random pillows under there with a blanket that Sir Gray can lay on when he's not taking over that. This is actually where we house our projector, and if you're curious, we just pull it over here when we want to watch something, and then it shines on this wall. You've just full on made yourself comfy, dude. Normally I have this just like on this like last 3 feet. I fold it over, but he sheds a lot, and so he gets his black fur all over our white comforter. Now into the bathroom, and this is where the minimizing actually comes into play here. Random kid's toy with pretzels actually in it. Interesting. A ball that I was hiding from my Jack Russell.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want.
Drawer number 1. These are in the wrong drawer. This is the makeup that I use every day, but I don't use the same where I can throw that away. I never use that, I can throw that away. This is the empty concealer, I can throw that away. I don't use this eyeshadow. One of these belongs in the girls' bathroom. I don't know why there's a pen in here. Okay. This next drawer is like my extra makeup stuff for like when I'm gonna do my makeup, then I use this. This belongs in my purse. I use it to sing at church. This is normally my purse to clean my menstrual cup if I'm on the go, but I'm pregnant, so it's in here for now. And next drawer requires a lock. This is my essential oil drawer, so I keep a kitty lock on here. I just have my blends here. Nothing in here needs to be taken out. Some little pamphlets here that I have for different things if I give to someone. If they're interested in essential oils, this is what I use to mark this, so I know what my blends are. Then I just have a ton of oils. These are to make little mixes. I have empty bottles to make more mixes. I use this for like one-time application stuff, so if I don't want to keep it as a blend, but I want to make something for specific use one time, then I make it in this little bowl, use it, and then clean it. I have this Indian healing clay stuff, my body brush. This is something that I use if I need like you know, if I have muscle soreness or whatever, for my ice packs. And then this bottom drawer is all of our like excess stuff. So I have a little extra makeup bag here if I need it for on the go. Our extra deodorants, my husband's soap here. These are my extra beauty blenders and extra toothbrushes as well. And then the left side, there's really nothing in here we need to do. In here is like medicine and stuff, and I have like extra prenatal vitamins in there. This is the only thing we use with the girls if we use anything pain, like more than just essential oils. I use Motrin with them sometimes. So we have that there. We got some Paw Patrol Band-Aids. These are their probiotic and multivitamin that we use with them. And then more Band-Aids for the adults. Ibuprofen for my husband. Extra probiotics. That's my travel bag. Now my side, I'm pretty sure, is kind of a mess. It's not too bad. That's a mess for me. Another menstrual cup and pads, which obviously I'm not using right now. I have some extra fractionated coconut oil for essential oil stuff. Solar cane, which is super old and I should probably throw out. I have witch hazel as well. Extra contact cleanser. This is all of my travel stuff. This is actually what I've been using. I should probably get rid of my other travel bag that keeps like my extra travel stuff, like longer stuff. This is like my short trip bag that I just take with me. This box can definitely get thrown out. It had bath bombs in it and there's nothing in it now. This is my curling wand and my hair dryer. This box has all my extra curling wand stuff for this that goes in. And then we actually have a toilet paper subscription, which is Who Gives a Crap. That's the name of the company. It's actually recycled paper that is used. Sounds gross, but it's not. It's not like the softest stuff, but we have tried. They have two different kinds. The bamboo one, I think it's the bamboo one, is definitely much softer. Well, I'm officially done with that power hour. I feel like I actually didn't have that much stuff to get rid of, which I'm kind of like, pat on the back, Ariana. It wasn't as bad as you thought it was, but it's good of you to be aware of when it's even getting a little bit out of control so that it doesn't get a lot out of control. And that's what's key to staying minimal, is tackling it before it gets a lot out of control. I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about what spray I was using to clean everything. This is the Young Living Thieves Cleaner solution. I've actually been using Young Living for a couple of years now, but I finally just actually like joined as a distributor. I get a lot of you guys asking me about the essential oils I use, and I've always had to be like, oh, you'll have to find somebody who sells it or something, but now I do. So if you are ever interested in more information on essential oils, I will have my email down below, so you can go ahead and just email me about it. I've actually only been using the Thieves Cleaner for a little bit because I really was just using their essential oils, and then when I joined, in your starter kit, you have like this little mini guide here to try out their cleaner. So I just threw it in here with the amount of water you're supposed to. And so I've been testing it out lately, and it actually smells really good, and it seems to do a really good job. Check out this mirror, completely streak free. So really everything I got getting rid of is in this box, is just getting thrown out, and then these are a few things that are out of place and need to be put in the correct place. Otherwise, that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this power hour. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're new, and I will see your wonderful faces hopefully next week. Bye.